Okay, so today we're gonna eat bagels. We came to a place in Vegas called Bagelmania. I got the old school, right? I think I got the old school.
Yeah. I got the new school.
So it's like I got a breakfast. It's like a breakfast bagel. It has egg. I chose bacon. Max chose sausage. So let's see which one's this one. This has bacon, so it's nice. So this one's yours.
What kind of bagel did you get?
Huh?
What kind of bagel is it?
Oh, it's the garlic bacon. So they couldn't have. Perfect.
Whoa, I got salted pretzel bagel. Whoa.
And then we also got a chocolate pretzel. Okay, hopefully it doesn't fall. But then we got a pretzel. Let me show you guys. Look at the chocolate pretzel. Oh my god. I'm just gonna have a bite of it after the bagel. This looks good. Okay, I also asked for some tomato and onion because I like my veggies. So this is how it looks, you guys. This is my second time coming here. Last time I got the wake and bake.
Whoa. So bagel is really good.
I knew he was gonna like this because I don't know, it's like his style. How's the sausage?
Good.
You don't want it with hot sauce? It's good.
Is that crunchy? With stuff on top?
A little. You want some? Yeah. I'm only planning on eating half of it because it is a lot.
You need some hot sauce.
In the corner. Don't let it touch. Imagine how much bacteria that has. If you guys are ever in Vegas, you guys should come here. The only bad thing is that they close at 3 or 3:30. I think it's more of a breakfast place. I know about this place because of Rhonda. So shout out to Rhonda.
The pretzel bread is so good. Gotta have some hot sauce though.
It's even better with the hot sauce. Honestly.
This is a good one.
They also had Dave's hot chicken.
That's good.
They have like different levels of spice. He got the extra hot. It was actually hot. Tasted like peppery, you know? Got these. Look at how cute. I want to make space for the pretzel. Should I try the pretzel now? I think I can eat this whole bagel. I think. Look at how crazy this looks. Does that look insane? If it falls, I'm gonna cry. So let me just try like both of the flavors. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try the chocolate part. Nothing about it tastes like a pretzel, but I mean, it's good. It's chocolate. It has sugar. I don't know what this is called. The way they make this pretzel. Add some hot sauce all over it. Don't let it touch though. More and more and more. All over it, all over it. Okay, yeah. It just tastes better with the hot sauce, honestly.
Pretzel's good.
I'm glad I asked for tomato and onion. It tastes a little fresher. I'm a big fan of garlic and onion.
I should ask for tomato.
Now my mouth is going to stink. One more? It has hot sauce. You can have it. That's all I have to say, you guys.
Really good.
You guys want to see him eat the last piece? They want to see you. He just needs more hot sauce. The pretzel, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be better. I don't know. I like it, but I guess it's not my vibe right now to eat that pretzel. His saliva sticking to it. But yeah, that's what I was telling him. I was like, I kind of like my bagels fresh, like with veggies in it, or like my breakfast sandwiches. I don't mind bacon and egg. I actually like eating that. But when I make breakfast sandwiches, I always need to add tomato, onion, and avocado.
I really like bacon with tomato. I like that combo.
Me too. So what do you rate this?
I'll give mine like a 9.5. Yeah.
Honestly, I give mine a 10. I think what helped was the onion and tomato though, and the salsa, the hot sauce.
Yeah.
I usually don't give food 10s. A 10. I'm cleaning myself with my Bagelmania napkin.
Are you advertising for them? Are you getting paid for this, Rachel?
They should pay me.
They should pay you in pretzels.
They should pay me in plushies.